Welcome to a new vlog, guys. Today we are in Santa Ursula, Tenerife. Let's go vlogging. It's a vlog day, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we continue with the tour of the beautiful Canary Island of Tenerife, and we're still up north, guys. If you haven't got it, we are exploring and touring the north, and there are so many things to see. And today we are going to see Santa Ursula. So without any further talking, let's go vlogging together. We are ready. Guys, we have arrived. We are going to start the tour. I have a lovely park behind me and the town hall in front of me already. I got off from the bus. That is the town hall. There are still the Christmas decorations. And that's a church we're gonna see from the front. Alright, so this is the main church of the place. Oh my goodness, and we got the park there. Before we go along the coast, we're going to see a park, and we're going to see a very cool statue I've seen online, which is basically the symbol of Santa Ursula. So let's go straight away to that place. On the way, guys, I just wanted to show you, we got the ocean in front of us. That's kind of like the highway. And we're just here moving forward. It's a very lovely day, guys, but if I walk in the sun, I'm warm enough. If I walk, in the shadow, it's a bit cool actually. So I don't know whether to take these off or not all the time. So right, guys, we're crossing the bridge now. We came that way. Look at that. And let's go. We are going towards the coast, guys, and as always, it cannot be missed. We have the beautiful mountains, and look at all the colorful houses in the background. Alright, guys, that's the park, and as you can see, there are people that are taking pictures, so that's the spot. Let's go. So this is the lovely park we are in, guys, and there you go. That's La Giganta, the giant. Now, since we have the sun against us, we're gonna come back later and take cool shots and pics. To kind of give you an idea of how big it is, so that's my foot, that's her foot, and we are underneath it. So let's go to the head. So guys, that's the head, as you can see. We continue, guys. We're now going to walk along the coast. Let's go. Before we actually do so, I just found this panel that says Entre Descubre, so just get in there and discover, and like take your time, breathe, just enjoy and respect the beautiful this beautiful nature and space. So there should be all of those things, like if we kind of like stop and observe, I'm curious, so we're gonna go now there. So in this panel you can read a little bit about the project Icaro. So basically that's it's kind of like to, let's say, renovate the park here in Santa Ursula. I love these panels because, you know, they explain the history of the place. There's even like audio stuff, and we are surrounded by nature. There's actually no one here apart from people working there, and you know they're disturbing with the noise, but you know what can you do? Drago, and that's the guy. Palmera Canaria, so that's the Canary palms basically, which is that one. And I always think that that looks like a giant pineapple that I would love to eat, but it's actually a palm. Nice. You know what? In case it's gonna get too hot, I would say it was a very lovely idea to come here. So, you know, we are in nature. I've seen some locals walking here with their dogs. It's very, very relaxing, apart from the noise in the background. But now we're going to continue towards the coast. Let's go and check the view from there, guys. I can just see the ocean, so. How beautiful, guys. Very relaxing. We're following this path and let's see where we get to. So we got to this point. If we follow this path, there should be a viewpoint, so I'm just gonna go with that and just go down there. Here we are, guys, with the sound of the ocean. So on the map there's a viewpoint. I guess it's kind of like that one there, but can you see that little thing? So the gate is closed, so I guess we're just gonna enjoy the view from here. Anyway, I hope you like it. As you can see, this is a residential area, but we're going to continue because I want to see some other spots. So as you can see, it's very quiet, no people around, just the locals sometimes. If there are steps, you gotta follow them. There are more, and look at what we have. El Teide. Look at that. The highest mountain, or is that a volcano, in Spain. Oh, look at that. That's very nice. I guess there is some kind of path here because you got all the stones and we have beautiful, beautiful views. So we're gonna walk here. Beauty. We got very interesting plants. Look at the beautiful blue ocean. Beautiful. I think that's the bunker from World War II. I see there's a path. I don't know if we can like get down there. We'll try and find a way. That family there is going to the bunker, so I'm gonna see how they get there, and then we're gonna go and see it. I've actually read a line that basically that's just graffiti there, but I think it should be cool to get down there. And let's enjoy the beautiful view for a second. Right, it says that, right, it's kind of dangerous, but it says, right, danger of landslides and falls to different levels. Use at your own risk. So, we're gonna go down, guys. Alright. So, we're following the path. That's the one, guys. We got there. We are on top of the bunker, guys, and let's have a look. Look at that. How cool is that? It's now time to actually get inside the bunker, guys. There we go, guys. Excited to get down. Here we are, guys. As you can see, it's full of graffiti. Oh god, I'm gonna fall down. Alright, let's go there first. Okay, so we cannot really see much. Let's go that way. Oh god. Here we are. Steps are much better view. Well, full of trash as I could imagine. This is the walls that we have. Just to give you an idea, look at how steep the steps are. Like, it's gonna be like very difficult to get down. So guys, we finish here. We're now going to go back. We cannot really go there anymore. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comments what you think, and as always, I will see you really soon in the next Tenerife vlog. Take care, girl. Ease out. Bye.